How to blur an image in Canva. So if you want to blur an image in Canva, then first you need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, you need to go with your search and then search for Canva. Once you've searched, you need to go with www.canva.com and make sure that you're logged into your account. After logging into your account, you need to, after taking your template on your Canva, now if you want to blur an image, make sure that you've added an image on your template. You need to select the image. Once you've selected, you need to go with edit, which will be in the top left. And once you click on edit here on the left side, you will have tools option. Click on see all, or you will also have an adjust option. Click on adjust as well. Now you need to scroll down a bit and you'll find an option of sharpness and clarity. So you need to go and adjust the sharpness, decrease the sharpness and the clarity as well. Once you do that, your image will be blurred. So this was the original image, and this is after the sharpness and clarity reduction. That's how you can blur an image in Canva. And if you found this video helpful, hit the subscribe button, and thanks for watching.